In short, this is what I do at Avenue 9 for my clients is I'll go and I'll interview the founder about why they started and what's important to them and what they believe their unique selling proposition is. I'll interview their top salesperson or team members or top technical person, or I'll interview their best clients or their vendor partners and stuff. And when we have these longer conversations, we can condense those down into messages. So I love what you said about Twitter and Grok. If you're training on 144 characters of craziness, if you expand that out into try and write a book, you're going to get pure madness. If you take a well written book that's educational or an encyclopedia of information, and then you say, I need you to write a blog post about this concept, AI does amazing. It's, oh, let's bullet it down to just the main key points. And so that's really what I try and do is start with some sort of scalable story, some sort of conversation that you're already having in your business. So this might be your quarterly review meetings with your clients. You sit down and say, tell me about your problems. What's working? What's not working? All of us have these tools now. You got Copilot already turned on. Take that transcript from that meeting and upload it to AI. And now you can do some really cool stuff. Hey, what did we talk about in this quarterly review that would make a good blog post that my other clients don't know about? Or what question should I have asked in that interview that I didn't? Or what do you think is most important for this client going forward in order to make sure that they renew with me at the end of the year? And we can start asking AI interesting questions. Again, that Jarvis AI idea of what information did I not recognize while I was live in this conversation? But I believe the value for AI and humans going forward are conversations, because AI needs to learn how to speak like a human. So it needs examples of people talking like humans in the language they use and the stories that we use in order to replicate those. But also, humans need these analogies, these relationships, this back and forth. And it's a question and answer. So, where we said Twitter is the wrong format, you're getting kind of comment versus comment in Reddit, or hard opinion versus hard opinion. You're not getting this back and forth conversation that podcasts like this are perfect, because you can ask me a question, I give an answer. And then when AI looks to give a summary answer of this, oh, here's a great example. Let me repurpose what Mike said about context engineering rather than what somebody was yelling about on a different platform. So I think if you reverse engineer the structure of your conversations, you can find 3 to 5 supporting examples, stories, analogies, or even action steps or frameworks that you need to go through in order to do whatever you're trying to do, sales, marketing, or other content.